Hello my beautiful souls, welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito, maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift ang energies, kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So let's see. The Queen of Swords, Five of Wands, Seven of Cups, Four of Wands, Four of Cups, Justice, Lovers, Ace of Swords, and the Emperor. So may mga energies tayo dito ng Aries, Libra, and Gemini. So maring two persons ito. May third party situation. Two persons na maaaring option mo with the Seven of Cups. Marami kang options na iniisip ngayon, hindi lang sa person, hindi lang love life, pati na rin sa career, sa mga past experiences, and may kinahaharap ka rin ngayon na conflicts na inaayos, may mga inaayos kayo. Legally, mga legal matters, maring for some of you may kinaharap na kaso, ganyan, and feeling nyo talo kayo dito pero hindi naman mangyayari ito. Kung iniisip nyo na ganun ang mangyayari, pero hindi. Tingnan natin. Message ng Archangels. So, maring for some of you about sa custody ng child. Kung kanino mapupunta yung bata, ayan. So, para may pinagkaagawan na kustodiya with the nurturer, Archangel Gabriel. As you nurture a child, you nurture your own inner child. Both activities are important for you right now. So, para kasing may legal matters na kinahaharap or children involved in this connection. So, tingnan natin. Letter and butterfly. And kasi itong taong to, maring gusto niya lang niyang ayusin or bumalik sa'yo para may access pa rin siya kung may anak kayo. Crystal ball, coins, pero ayaw pumayag din ng third party, hourglass, and bird. Magnifying glass bottom card. Kasi itong person mo, gusto niya nang bumalik sa'yo pero ayaw ng karmic. Lalo na kung ito ay twin flame connection at kasal siya sa kanyang karmic at may anak kayo. Not available. Kasi ayaw siyang bitawan ng kanyang third party. I'm afraid to contact you. So, gustong-gusto ka nang kausapin nito. Gusto niyang bumalik sa'yo pero hinahadlangan siya ng third party. It's time for me to heal now. My life is not as together as it seems. So, malinaw dito na hindi siya masaya doon. I'm becoming a better person. I want to be more than friends. I wish I had treated you better. Ayan, mga pinanghihinayangan niya. I knew exactly what I was doing. And we will be together again. So, ito yung gusto niya mangyari. Tingnan natin, tarot messages. Oracle cards. Feeling left out in the cold. So, maaaring ginost ka nito noon. And may mga kasinungalingan siyang pinormulate noon. Can't decide. Feeling betrayed. You're my wish come true. You're the fairest of them all. We're compatible to each other. You're my inspiration. Sorry I'm wasted. So, natatakot siyang kausapin ka. Pero mukhang may marireceive kang message from this person. Drunk message. So, tingnan natin sa initials. Letter E, A, G, T, M, N, I, P, F. K, bottom card. We have here mirroring, twin flame, and past life lover. So, nakasili pa yung prophecy. So, kung ito ay mangyayari talaga kahit pigilan pa. So, wala nang magagawa yung third party dito. Yung third person, wala na siya magagawa. Lalo na kung mangyayari. Kahit papigilan siya, hindi na magpapapigil tong taong to. Number 1, perfect smile, flower. Number 2, 10, and completion. March, creepy stalker. Sagittarius, good heart. May, very serious, long distance. October, December, chaser. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. September, Virgo. Cup, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Shy at first, and ayan, no? Tali pa siya sa karmic ngayon. So, pero wala na magagawa to. Lalo na kung mangyayari na yung mangyayari. And another Aries. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care. And God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.